Here on my little palette I just have some glitter mixed in with some base coat, and we're just going to pick up some of that glitter and sort of put it roughly where the bauble would be. Making a circle as best as one can. Once you've got your circle how you like it, you are going to put that in to cure. Now, to make this bauble, as you can see, we just got the glitter on 3D like this one here. I'm going to be going in with my clear UV LED fibre gel. I'm just using a disposable brush to pick up some of the gel like so, and then you're going to want to place it on top. Ooh, make sure we're in frame. We are. And just slowly work it around until you get a nice circle covering up the original base coat glitter that we did. Now, when you were doing this, to prevent too many bubbles, keep the brush in the gel as you're moving it about, and that will prevent too many air bubbles from forming. And then you're going to want to cure that for the specified time for the brand that you were using. Come on, camera. So there we go, you can see we have a nice 3D bauble effect on the nail. And if you would like it a bit taller, which if I sort of put them side by side, you can see that this one is taller than this one. You just go in and you do the exact same thing again, like so. So you can see it is much bigger. And we are going to cure again. Now we are going to work on the bauble nail. So we are going to put a line up the nail, like so. And then there are little tiny round things in here, and I'm just going to be grabbing them and putting them in a line going up the nail. We've got our 3D bauble, and this is the finished set of nails with a 3D bauble. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.